Mr. Duck. Alright, so I'm really sitting beside the ducks here. So, and here comes another one. They're basically like right in front of me. No, I did not bring them any bread or anything like that, so. And now they're all coming around me because they think I have some bread. So, hello, Mr. Duck. Hello, Mr. Goose. How you doing? How you doing? All right. So here they are. Here comes the other little baby. Hello. Hello. Here they are. It's a really beautiful day out today. So I just wanted to share a little bit of this with you. And oh, what's he doing? Oh, here he comes. Don't have anything for you, goosey, goosey, goose. Look at that. So cool. So cool. Hello, Mr. Goose. Hello. All right, I'm just gonna show you here. All right, here he comes. Hi, baby. Hello. Here he is. Oh, he sees something over there. All right, well, just let him continue walking around me. Just show you over here. It's time to get out for a walk today. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Oh, here they are. I have to zoom in on these guys. Well, actually not even zooming in because they're literally right beside me. All right, have an awesome day. Bye-bye.